In this video, I'll walk you through how to integrate AdCreative AI with WooCommerce and explain the basics of AdCreative AI, a powerful tool for creating high-converting ad creatives for your e-commerce store. If you're new to this software, stick around to the end to learn exactly how to streamline your ad creation process with WooCommerce and unlock some bonus offers you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive straight into it. AdCreative AI uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate optimized ad creatives that are designed to boost performance. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other platform, this tool can save you a ton of time while increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Integrating AdCreative AI with WooCommerce is actually pretty simple. The first step is to sign up for AdCreative AI and connect your WooCommerce store to their platform. Once you're signed in, go to the integration section of AdCreative AI, where you'll find an easy-to-use WooCommerce integration option. All you need to do is authenticate your store, and the system will pull in your products, automatically creating ad creatives based on those items. It's really that simple. One of the standout features here is that AdCreative AI doesn't just generate any ad, it creates ads based on AI-driven data, analyzing which product images, descriptions, and styles are most likely to convert. So, as you integrate it with WooCommerce, you can rest assured that the AI is working hard to produce ads that match your product and target audience. For example, let's say you run a WooCommerce store selling premium clothing. When you integrate AdCreative AI, the software will automatically create visually appealing ads that match your brand's aesthetics, targeting people most likely to click and purchase. The AI will continually optimize your creatives based on performance, ensuring that you're always ahead of the competition. Once your integration is set up and the ad creatives are generated, you can start launching campaigns directly from AdCreative AI or export the ads to Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads platforms. The ability to export seamlessly means you don't have to waste time adjusting ad formats or dimensions. AdCreative AI handles that for you. The beauty of using this software is that it saves you hours of work while also ensuring you're using the most optimized high-conversion creatives. For anyone new to digital marketing, this is a game changer. And as a bonus, AdCreative AI's deep learning algorithms will continuously learn from your ads, adapting and improving over time. If you're just getting started, don't worry. You can use AdCreative AI completely for free through the first link in the description. Plus, I've secured exclusive bonuses for my viewers that will help you get even more out of this powerful tool. But that's not all. There's an extended free trial waiting for you as well, so you can explore every feature without worrying about any hidden costs. AdCreative AI isn't just about creating good ads, it's about creating great ads that deliver results. By integrating with WooCommerce, you're tapping into the full power of automation and AI, making your marketing efforts more efficient and effective. So, if you're ready to take your WooCommerce store's advertising to the next level, start by integrating AdCreative AI today and let the software do the heavy lifting. Don't forget to use the exclusive link below to get started with your free trial and additional bonuses.